Hello, hello, and welcome to day 30 of 100 Days of Code. Uh, Past handful of days, I've been doing coding puzzles on CodinGame, and that's what I'll be doing today. I'm doing a couple easy puzzles there. Um, yeah, let's just jump right into it. All right, looks like the first one up is Dungeons and Maps. Don't know what it is. All right. Can be solved using the following concepts: strings, pathfinding, loops, 2D array. Okay. Seems good. Your adventure path. Your adventure path led you to an inn in a small, forgotten somewhere in the north to the north of Golem Hills. After gulping the last drop from the 9th mug of elf wine. Alright. In front of you, start the Delta wine. Had enough. Put the hole in. Okay. Beware of the dragons. One more whole mug of wine. Nice. You were given N maps for a dungeon. Okay. Each map may contain a path to a treasure T. From starting position, start row, start column. Determine the index of the map which holds the shortest path from the starting position to T. Be careful, a map may lead to a trap. Alright. Oh, it's marked with the V's. Oh, geez. Caret V greater than, less than. Okay. A valid path must start from start row, start column, and end on T. The path length is the count of direction symbols plus 1 for the T cell. Okay. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. And then it breaks. Yep, 2 does not contain a valid path. Alright, seems good enough. Okay. Let's clean things up a little bit. Okay, I get a width and height of the maps, start row and start column, enter in for number of maps to check, and then, right. Each H consecutive lines are representing a single map. Each line contains W characters. Alright, makes sense. Trap. Oh, if there isn't a map with a valid path, I'll put trap. So I need to keep up with the index, not necessarily how many moves it takes. Okay, let's see what the maps look like. Okay, so I gotta figure out how to make an array of arrays. Yeah, let's just do this dot puts map row. Cool. Looks right. Oh yeah, it's the last day of the month. Look at that. I think that gives it a default value. Inspect. Yeah, that's the way it goes. Nice. That looks right. Okay, cool. And then... Okay, so I know what the map looks like. Let's think about this. I need to do for each map. Yeah, so I think the first thing I need to do is count the number of movements. Plus 1. And if the count is more than the current min count, go to the next do this. Go to the next map. And that will save us. This is a pre-optimization. I will say that. But that should save us a little bit of time in case, in a best case scenario. Yeah, and my guess is with many maps that will help. Okay. And then let's see. For each map. Ah, right. We need to check that the moves connect. And that will take a little bit of checking, but we can get to that in a second. If they connect and it's less, wait, and moves are less than current min moves count, whatnot. Yeah, I'll just say min count. Then I want to set min count to this. And set min index. Right, so that means I'll need to have vars for min count and min index. Check that the moves connect, if they connect. Yep, and then at the end, return. Oh, sorry. After all this is done, print min index. Okay. Seems straightforward enough. So I need to make min count equals 0. Probably not. Not 0. Let's just do a really big number. And then min index equals, doesn't matter what it equals, it'll get changed regardless as min count changes. Okay, then I do maps dot each with index just to be on the safe side. Map index and moves count equal, oh, this is gonna be silly. So I think I can do map dot join, sorry, map string string equals map dot join. I'm just gonna call this str to make this a little bit shorter. So map dot join, and then we can do str dot count the v's plus that's funny. Okay. Oh, nope, I need the caret. Okay, so that is 4 directions, and then plus 1. Okay. And then next, unless moves count is less than min count. That'll be a little sanity check. And then I already have moves count stored. Oops, need to finish that unless. Okay, so I've counted the number of movements. If the count is more than the current min count, then go to the next map. Yep, next. Unless moves count is less than min count. Okay, makes sense. Now I need to check that the moves connect. So I have a start X and Y. I guess I need to map this out. So check that moves connect. So X comma Y. Oh, and then it traverses. So the points tell you where you're gonna go, so that's nice. Start row, start column. 1, 1. Ah, so you start on a... Oh, that's nice. Oh, they tell you where everything's gonna be. How clever. So you don't even have to worry about most of the map. It's only 4 directions. Okay, that's awesome. Down, down, right, right. Yeah, so this will go. And you start on a direction, so you already know where you are. Okay, awesome. Cool. Start on a direction. Move in the direction it says. And then I want to do that. Moves count times. At the end. Right. If the next move is a dot or just say not a direction, not a direction. Next map. Yeah, if it's not a direction, move to the next map. That makes sense. Healy Codes, hey, what's going on? What's going on? Which pathfinding algo are you using here? Just joined. I'm not really using any pathfinding algo. Yeah, they mentioned pathfinding in this, but basically what's happening is for each of these maps, you start on a direction. They're using the caret, greater than, less than, or a V. So you just follow the directions, and whichever direction the V points is the direction of the next cell that you need to go to. So the algorithm is literally just following the path set out by those directions. Yeah, the maps are less freeform. Yeah, they're very structured. And for this check, if the next move is not a direction, yeah, I don't know how big that is. Let's see if I can make it bigger. Oh gosh. So in map 2 here, this V points to a dot, so that would be a fail for that map because it's not a complete path. And what I'm looking for is, out of each map, which one has the shortest complete path. What did you expect? Hey, how's it going on? Tell me about yourself. Oh, well, currently I'm studying, but just for fun, effectively. I already have a coding job, so this isn't to like get a job or anything. I've been coding for 5 years, I think. Yeah, it's 5 years this year. This will be the beginning of my 6th year as a programmer. Working. And this whole 100 Days of Code project is just to backfill in some of the computer science stuff that I didn't get because I don't have a degree in computer science. So data structures and algorithms seem to be the right place to start. What about you all? Healy Codes, would you expect? Are you guys working, studying? What brings you here? Yeah, thanks. You're a beginner? Awesome. Well, if you have any questions about what I'm doing, feel free to ask me. I don't mind explaining it. Oh, you're a dev in London? You stream on here too? Okay, nice. Let me... Oh, what's the easiest way to do this? Huh. Okay, Helicode's cool. I'll follow you and see if I can catch one of your streams. Oh, nice. Thanks, would you expect? I appreciate that follow. And Healy Codes, thank you so much. No CS degree? What'd you expect? Okay, cool. What are you studying right now? Then I want to... Next map. make sure the end is a T. Cool. And then I need to set this as... Oh, no. I already have that down there. Cool. What'd you expect? In a boot camp, full stack? Nice. That's awesome. I've heard great things about boot camps. I've had a couple of buddies that have... gone through boot camps and whatnot, and it's amazing how much stuff is crammed into such a short amount of time. All right, so I wrote this out. Now I just have to do it. So I've got to start X and Y. Oh, start row and column. I'll just make X equals start column. Y equals start row. You know what? That gets too confusing. I just have to use row and column. So then I want map row and column. Oh, Healy Codes. What do you stream on here? Seems like coding stuff. Just throwing it out there, guessing. Zero discounts. Yeah, I stream coding things. Nice. I build small projects in JavaScript, Python. Okay, awesome. Are you using any frameworks or just like vanilla Python and JavaScript? Because I know Django's pretty popular, and then with JavaScript, there's pick your poison frameworks, if you will. It's probably going to be -1. I don't have to do that. I can just do 1. Okay. So that gets the move. So far I stream vanilla stuff because you find it's easier for people to understand what you're doing if they join midstream. Oh, interesting. That's cool. Huh. Wow, that's a really interesting takeaway. Or thing to figure out. Yeah, I guess if you don't know the framework, a lot of the frameworks have their own, like, domain language, so to speak. So if you're just hopping in, yeah, that makes sense to me. I can rationalize that. Just gonna print out the move a bunch, but that's okay. Oh, I did. No, I'm at map. Let's try this again. What line? On line 34. Oh, I did mean maps. Thank you, interpreter. Okay, cool. So that seems to be working how I expect it to. How do I want to set this up? And up. Row plus equals 1. Row minus equals 1. This will be column minus equals 1. Plus equals 1. I hope some maps don't have looping paths. Yeah, I don't think they do reading through. You know, I guess we'll find out. I get the impression that they don't, but that might not be the case. Okay, I just want to see if that will iterate how I think it will. Ah, right. You know, I don't want to do that. I will do it like this. No, there's a different syntax. See if I remembered it. Okay, I did. That's good. Okay, let's see. This count as 15. Ah, okay. So it's not returning anything. Ah, okay. That's silly of me. just want to do that. Try again. Okay. Right. Already made those. I did not. Oh, I don't have to now. I don't have to now. Hey Vizgar, how's it going? You can click on that hamburger button beside test cases to see all test cases. Nice. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Looks like there's some loop in the 5th test. Define. Whoa, what do you mean in the 5th test? Oop. I expand the 5th. Oh, I see. Yep. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I'll see if I can get it working before then. My hope is that making this for in range loop to moves.count will be enough to counteract that. But I have to get this working first. Ooh. Should be enough. Okay, nice. You know what? I'm just gonna return. Oh, do I have these messed up? No, I don't think so. Of course, it's just gonna do the same thing because I'm never resetting move. Okay. But now this be fine. Oh, yeah, of course. And then blank again. Yeah, and this count is just wrong. Let's see. Oh, duh. don't need to do move equals that. I need to do temp, and then move equals move temp 0 temp 1. Failure. Okay. Temp. See what that comes out as. Move. It stops printing out the moves. And it shouldn't even be that big anyway. It should be up, over, over, over. That's it. Class on line 54. Oh. What'd you expect? You want to try 1v1? I think I'll finish this problem for now. This problem's taking long enough. I probably won't be on too much after this. Okay. I did get a different move though, so that's good. That's no good. Move to 2-1. So I moved the wrong direction. You'll probably destroy me in 1v1. No worries, no worries. Yeah, maybe I'll set something up and we can do something like that later this week. I've not actually competed with anybody on here yet. Up is a minus, down is a plus, left is a minus. Okay, that should be better. Cool. You don't know how to reverse a linked list? I've done it. I don't. Oh no, I could probably refigure it out. It's been a few weeks though. It's all about moving the next pointer around. Oh yeah. That's one way you can do it. As you're traversing through the linked list, you can just push them all into a stack, all the nodes into a stack, and then once you start popping them off. Yeah. But you have to handle the head node as a special case, I think. Okay. Equals. All right, so this will be if equals T. Min count equals moves count. Min index equals index of the map. And then, oh, how do I break out of just the one loop? Does break out of all loops? B break. It's where. Yep. Exit loop early. What about nested loops? Oh, that's what I wanted. Google must have been listening to me. Ah, okay. Just use something different then. We have moves set out here. I'll do next if move equals T. Don't know if that'll work, but that's fine. Yep, fair. Let's make sure I have all the things here that I want to do. Okay, so if move equals T, min count, moves count, cool. Uh-oh. 952. Awesome. Okay, so that does not work. That's fine. Let's see what the break does. Okay, so I don't think that's what I want. That's why it's doing 15. So this is working, but I did not successfully split my maps. Okay. So what does this look like then? Oh, I still might have. Let me check. I did not do maps.inspect. Okay. So that is one map. Equals. Alright, I have to figure out a way to reset. Wait, I'll leave that there. Okay, this break is bad. Looks like we eventually get to a T. That's great. And then what is moves count doing? That's being all crazy like. It did mean moves count. Hmm, 15. That's way too big. Was that in all of them? 1, 2. 15. It is in all of them. I printed out the map and it looks right. Oh yeah, I gotta be careful about row and column. This should probably be inside here. Then I don't have to reset them. Okay, reiterating over different maps. That's exciting. Let's make sure they're different. It looks like the same map. Oh gosh. Yeah, this is all 3 maps. Okay, so I did not appropriately split them. Oh, what the heck? Let's just do this if... unless... Better, okay. Cool. Cool, that looks right. Then I just need to put min index. Fail. Failure is fine. Oop. It's funny. Cool. So 7, 5, and 5. So it's never moving it off of 7. Oh, no, it's just never setting it. Alright, let me refresh. Maybe something weird's happening. Yep, looks right. Oh, so it never gets here. Huh. So we never get to T. Oh, right. Oh, weird. So I'm doing something wrong with movement again. Oh, did I pass in row and column correctly? Row -1, row +1, column -1, column +1. Same thing, okay. All right, so this first one. So weird. Okay, let's put it first one. Again. Yep. Okay, so it goes up and then over. So for left, it should be column plus 1. Oh, row and column are never actually changing. Got it. That's funny. Right. I ran into this yesterday. Row equals temp 0. Call equals temp 1. Let's try that again. Better movement, better movement. Okay, cool. And we got to T. Oh, so it must be airing out. Let's see on that last one, it is 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. Oh, got it there. Line 56. Nice, and I got it. Okay, awesome. I'm not printing trap. So let's make min index equals -1. Index equals -1. It is trap or min index. Okay, cool. Ooh, failed on the epic quest. Found 1, expected 3. Okay, let's go ahead and submit this just to save it. Okay. Oh yeah, we can remove these. Those take time. Let's try that again. Still fail. Okay. Found 1, expected 3. That means I did something wrong in the logic. So let's leave those. Let's look at epic quest. So they're 19 by 19. I assume that's going to be 19. Yeah, but the start point is right there. We're just returning 1? Oh gosh, that's silly. Okay. last one you can go off bound. Not sure if you took that into account. I did not. I'm not sure that that's the current problem. Because the current problem is I'm returning 1 instead of 3, and it looks like the first one there's just no path whatsoever. Oh no, it's 1, it's 1. Okay, not 0. My bad. 3, so it may be this out of bounds error. That's 2. Oh, you're just listening? Nice, okay. Here it splits again. Okay. Then why would 3 fail? So we got this one. This one makes a complete path. Great. This one goes out of bounds. But this one should work. Right? It is the shortest path. Just following the path given. Okay. Cool, so these are no longer helpful. That puts index. Prints out index 1 4 times. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That means it's just going through the iterations. That means if index equals 3, okay, so something is happening. Ooh. Oh no, I know what's happening. Ha. Yep, got it. So my pre-optimization is kicking me in the foot right now. That pre-optimization was to count all of the directions in the map, not knowing that there would be false directions in a map. So there's more V's than are actually on the path. Okay. So let's remove moves count and see how it does. Yeah. Actually, let's leave it and just not do the next. And it fails. You haven't optimized it. I just make it most width times height moves, preventing loops. Nice, nice, okay. Well, I guess this is a little bit better than that. Okay, so I'll leave. No, I don't want to do that. I just need to keep track of the moves made. Zero. Plus equals 1, and then instead of min count equal moves dot count. That'll equal and count is less than min count. All right, let's try that again. Yes, got it. Got it. My pre-optimization was kicking me. Okay, cool. Let's submit that and check out some of the other ones. Yes. Ooh, I can filter by folks I follow. Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Vizcar. I appreciate that. Okay, so similar next move. I don't know what PP is. Shortest distance. Yeah. That float infinity trick has been helping for some of these things. So what kind of problems am I interested in? You could pick one for me. I haven't really been going based off of interest. I've been just literally going down the list of easy problems as practice, just algorithms practice. Yeah, the pathfinding ones are definitely the most interesting out of the ones I've done. It's definitely more than like finding the kth element in a linked list or something like that. They're definitely the most difficult. The pathfinding ones, that is. Gosh, CRCC, yeah, this is a lot. This is a lot to look at. Ooh, more succinct. Okay. What is this? Visgar, that's a good question. Yeah, I'll think on that. Here you can boost your ego. Medium puzzle, just millions of houses. Oh, geez. The Last Crusade, Episode 1. Alright, let's check it out. I don't need this right now. This puzzle makes you use an associative array that makes a link between arbitrary types and directions. Alright. So you need to store some values in an array. Hash table. Okay, okay. Alright. See, you and Lacrosse have solved this. And it has visualizations. Alright, I'm interested. Goal of this puzzle is to predict the path that a character will take in the labyrinth according to the topology of the rooms. The resolution of the exercise intensely focus on the correct usage of associative arrays. Creates the right associations. Your final code could be quite short. Oh, okay. Okay. One line containing the XY coordinates of the room in which you believe Indy will be in on the next turn. Oh, okay. Predictive algorithm using associative arrays, I guess. Let's read it. Let's read it. I won't solve it in 30 minutes. Yeah, you've kind of figured out my schedule at this point. I can at least start on it. And come back to it tomorrow. Tunnel consists of patchwork of square rooms of different types. Rooms can be accessed. Because Mayans aren't very technologically advanced. The ancient serial port. Top left or right. He will exit either the room. There's a specific exit point. Okay. Ah, he's perpetually drawn downwards. Okay, okay. Given a map of the tunnel in the form of a rectangular grid of rooms, each room is represented by its type. Type 0 through 13. Okay. Each game turn. See this position. Okay. Yep. Specify the coordinate along the x-axis of the exit. Oh, okay, okay. Current position. Position Ah, okay. So we get current position and entrance point into the current room. Oh, that was loud. Sorry. Okay, so the hard part about this is this. Okay. Alright, so I don't need the exit. It's okay. What's it called? XI? Oh, X integer. So that's current position. I want to get position 2. Okay. So type 0 means he'll stay in place. Type 1 means he'll go down. Type 2 is the other way. Type 3 straight down. Can't go in, can't go in. Down, down. Down and bonk. Alright, let me just double check. Oh, don't forget to turn on debug mode. Okay. Cool, thank you. Associative array. Okay, cool. So it's just another name for like a hash. Oh, they're an actual separate thing. No. Okay, cool. Okay, so I need to figure out how to make a hash. That maps these rooms. Which I believe Indy will be in on the next turn. We got 0. We'll return something. Oh, this is gonna be like a space. I'm thinking like X and Y. Alright, let me actually think this out. I need to set up a hash where keys have room type and direction. Values will be modified X and Y. I also need to figure out how to pass X and Y into that. What's, oh, position, yeah. Okay, and then for each loop, get X, Y. Actually, I just need to get position and room type. Pass that to the hash. And print it out. Okay. I have a little bit of time. Let's see if I can do this. The hardest part is going to be setting up this hash correctly. I could wrap it in a lambda. Oh, no. I'll need key X and Y. Oh, I guess if I'm not actually, if I'm passing everything into it, it doesn't even need to be a lambda. I can just make it a method. No, I'll make it a lambda. That way I don't have to do any class variables. Oh, maybe I'll, instead of hash keys, I'll make it a hash to where each room type has its own hash. Oh, now we're getting crazy. Ugh, this is gonna be wordy. Okay, hash of hashes, and then each one of those will have a top, left, right. I can spell. I can spell. Ugh. Talk about wordy. Maybe it won't have to be this wordy. Maybe I'll get into it and it won't be too bad. Okay. Type 0 just returns X and Y across the board. Probably would have been smart to copy X and Y the whole way down. Well, you know. Type 1 is always Y plus 1. Y plus 1. Okay. Type 2. Top will be X, Y. The interest from the left, it will be X plus 1 and Y, and X minus 1. Type 3. Yeah, things are getting familiar here. Type 4. So coming from the top will be X minus 1. Y. Left will be X, Y. And right will be X, Y, plus 1. 5 is basically the opposite of this. Yeah. Oop. Yep, coming in from the right. It's xy. Left is y plus 1. Oops, this will be x plus 1. Number 6. Looks a lot like type 2. Okay. Type 7, left will be x, y, and these will be y plus 1 and x. Type 8. It's very similar to type 1. Type 9 is reverse of type 7. So that means that coming in from the left, we'll get y plus 1. Type 10, 11, 12, and 13 are half of type 4 and 5. Okay, so it comes in from the top. X minus 1. Coming in from any other direction would be that. Okay. 11 is coming in from the top, will be x plus 1. Yep, looks right. And then coming in from the right will be y plus 1. Okay. What did I call this? Oh, get next. And I'm passing in key X and Y. Oh, I'm not sure how to do. Not really sure how to do this. Key 2. And then I'll return hash key 1, 2, sim key 2 dot 2 sim key 1 will be the type to sim is to symbol. I don't know if you need it. I ran into an issue where I couldn't access it using strings and symbols. So I've just been adding to symbol onto any of those hash things. Perfect. Perfect. I love a good fail. Nice. Need it for top left and right. Oh, right. Cool. That's good. That's good. On line 91. Okay. Should be okay. Let's just see what that looks like. Okay, so it's having trouble accessing my hash. Probably check what the keys are. Oh, no. No type. Okay. That makes sense. Didn't actually check that the map was printing out correctly. Haha. Better. Okay, cool. So that worked. Let's try the sewer. That worked. Nice. Okay. Let's just play all and see where I fail. Woo! Got him. Did it about 3 times faster. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Not a competition yet. It's not a competition yet. Yeah, I was just dealing with hashing stuff. Oh, one of the problems I solved the other day, the only reason I had the idea to do this, was I was trying to use a case statement, like a case when, and they suggested if it wasn't like dealing with ranges or anything, using a hash like this. Yeah, so I got the idea from another coding problem. I guess, yay, progress, I'm learning things. Okay, I submitted it. Let's check out some of these other solutions. What? Oh, that's way more succinct. What is this? Types. I don't even know what's going on in this. What is the G? H times G, I. Every item in an array represents a single tile. Okay. And that's this G array, I suppose. And then types G, Y, X. Oh, no. This is just the map, G, right? That's where they're passing in Y and X. And then types. Okay, that makes sense. So 0 would be return nothing. Got it. So V position would be top. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So that's the power and the actual types of the blocks being 0 through 13, right? That's the associative array bit of this. Which I just set up as a hash and now seems kind of silly. I guess it's not silly, like it's a way to do it. It's fine. It's just takes a lot more typing. Yep. This person did the same thing, just in a little bit different way. You solved some quest. Can you show us your quest map? That's a thing? Sure, yeah, I can show you. I think. Let's go back. Algorithms, step by step. Solve 2 medium puzzles. That was my second medium puzzle solved. Cool. I haven't even paid much attention to this. Probably worth it. It's probably worth it. Ooh, there's a puzzle of the week. Huh. Cool. find puzzles you've already solved at the bottom of each puzzle section. Oh, there's very hard ones, huh? Oh, Shadows of the Night 2 is one. Interesting. Okay, cool. Cool. This is a lot of fun. But that is time. Solved it just in time. I'll come back. Maybe I'll come back and clean it up. I don't know. I'm probably just going to keep moving forward until I solve them all. It seems like a long ways. 1%. Solve 2. 2 is 1%. It's 200. Or maybe 1% is just the default value for having solved any. I guess, yeah. Yeah, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'm just talking now. Okay. What's this? Oh, huh. Level 10. Do the like levels and quests and stuff like that matter on CodinGame at all? Like, do you get anything else? Or more abilities or anything? Dungeons Maps, Last Crusade, Episode 1. You can approve contributions later on. Okay, cool. So other than that, it's just like a way to keep up with progress. That's good enough. I like that. I like that. And are contributions the actual coding puzzles? Because I've used that contributed by verbiage. Seed. Yeah, you can contribute, create new puzzle bot contests. Okay, cool. Exciting day. Day 30. 30% through 100 days of code. And streaming. I've never streamed before this, so this is pretty cool. I must be getting sleepy. I've been saying that a lot. Yeah. Doesn't matter. Cool. So, that's it. Thanks everybody for being here, and thanks for hanging out. Oh no, my camera decides to restart. Maybe it'll restart. I just want to say bye. There we go. Cool. Yeah. So thanks for hanging out. Vizgar, again, thanks for the suggestion and all the help as usual. I really appreciate it. And thanks everybody else for hanging out and chatting. I'll see you later.